Hey Clarion's Kitchen lovers, welcome to today's juicing tutorial. I'll be showing you how I juiced my fresh pineapple without adding sugar. I started by washing the pineapple. I washed it thoroughly to remove dirt and other things. Also peel off the skin. I divided and cut it into pieces. This depends solely on the kind of blender you're using. If your blender is not strong enough, break it into tiny pieces. This sweet tropical fruit is rich in vitamin C, and regular consumption of it helps your skin to grow, helps your hair to grow, and also eliminates wrinkles from the body. Pineapple helps the body to digest food easily and many other benefits. Now you know. Please do well to include it in your diet. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Here is Clarion's Kitchen. Please stay connected by clicking the subscription button and on the notification bell to see my next video whenever it drops. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.